So we have written here the internal structure is having few important labelings. You will see one by one. First one, periosteum. Periosteum is outer layer or outer covering of bone. But periosteum is absent in epiphysis region. So in this region where red bone marrow is present, periosteum is absent in epiphysis. So where is epiphysis? This region. Up to this region is epiphysis, where red bone marrow is present. So this and this. Here periosteum is absent. Now, periosteum, it is of two types, or it has two parts. One is outer white fibrous connective tissue. Second one, inner single layer of osteoblasts. Periosteum has the contact with blood capillaries. It has blood capillary circulations, because here in case of osteons outside the Haversian canal, there is no blood circulation. Food material is just diffused into that area. Next, so it has outer circumferential lamellae. Here there are outer circumferential lamellae. We did not mention about osteoblasts. These are osteoblasts. Few points regarding periosteum. So here we have written osteoblasts. These osteoblasts, they divide by mitosis and they get matured, get converted into osteocytes. So where are osteocytes? So here will be osteocytes. So we don't have place. You can write here. Osteocytes. Osteoblasts mature to osteocytes. They divide and they become matured or adult into osteocytes. Osteoblasts in periosteum and endosteum, they both secrete matrix. But here the osteoblast is producing only the osteocytes. But the osteoblast of periosteum, it is producing matrix. Osteoblasts of periosteum produce matrix in compact bone. Here it is having one trabeculae is having many lamellae. One trabeculae is covered by endosteum. The spaces or gaps are occupied by blood capillaries or blood vessels. So these are few points related to periosteum. So it has blood capillaries. Okay, I have written osteoblasts. Okay, fine. Second one, endosteum. Second one, endosteum. Endosteum is layer around bone marrow. endosteum in spongy tissue covers the trabeculae. You write one more point regarding trabeculae. One trabeculae, I have written here, given you the diagram previously, you can go through that, has many lamellae. Endosteum has osteoblasts, osteocytes, osteoclasts. Next, lamella is also present, that we have given here. Okay. Now, bone marrow is also called medullary cavity. Medullary cavity. So, okay. Since here we will write one point. Periosteum is supporting for the extension of compact bone. Endosteum is supporting the growth towards the matrix and also towards this direction. So here the growth of bone is bidirectional because of osteoblasts, which are growth supporting structures in both endosteum and periosteum. That I will write here. Since osteoblasts support in growth of bone and are present in both endosteum and periosteum. While I am writing these points, or while you are reading these points, you please go through the labelings that I have given here. Growth of bone is bidirectional. But in case of cartilage, there is no endosteum or endochondrium. There is only perichondrium in case of cartilage. So, growth in case of cartilage is unidirectional. Growth in case of bone is bidirectional. In cartilage, growth is unidirectional. Here you can see these red color dotted structures. We can think those are blood capillaries which are supplying the nutrients in the periosteum and endosteum. Osteoblasts here, osteoblasts here also. Osteoblasts which are supporting in growth of osteocytes and creation of osteons or Haversian systems.